next thing which I will be taking is this kind of angular brush. Let me show you how this brush is. So I will still be blending a little bit. Okay, so I have almost blended the transition shade. Now since I'm wearing pink, guys, so definitely I will be choosing a little bit shimmery pink, which is this color I will be choosing. And I will be taking another brush. This is a kind of little fluffy but a different one, or you can use this brush. I think this will be the best. Use this kind of brush for the inner lids. So taking this color, I will be doing the inner lids. It is a kind of same color but a little shimmer to it. So since I'm wearing red, so nothing else can be done, so I will be taking this color and blending it real good. Okay, if the brushes are not getting that faster, take your this finger and start applying. I think that is also the best way you can do it. Okay, so let me talk about this. It has a warm color as well as some pop-up colors, so I really love this palette. I think it was so affordable. It was just for ₹180, so this is supremely affordable palette. Pigmentation is supreme good, so no nothing I will be speaking about the pigmentation. And next thing for the eye makeup which I will be doing is definitely a metallic eye which I will be doing. And I will be taking this metallic eyeshadow, and it is a kind of bronzer. Since I am having a gold foil all over my kurti, so definitely I will be taking gold as metallic gold as a background, and then I will be just placing it like this, and this looks supremely good. Doing for the same for the other eye. Great, so that's all which I will be doing for the eye look. I'm not going too much louder on my eye look, because I somewhere think that in the festive season your dress is almost, I mean usually they are louder than you do over that. Then I will be doing my mascara. Usually I do my eyeliner, but since it's a metallic eyeshadow that I applied, so definitely the eyeliner you can do it later after it gets dry. So I'll let it dry and then I'll put eyeliner. I will be doing my, so this is the Mion voluminous mascara. I am not a falsy person, so I do not use too much of false lashes. So have some mascara that adds amazing volume to your lashes. Also I will be applying in the lower lash line. Okay, and the one thing that I missed is to do my lower eyelids. So with the same transition color that I have taken, I will be brushing my lower lash line. I need to be really careful. Now lower lash line means this area. Don't overdo it. Okay, so that's in that, and then I will be straightly moving to the eyeliner. I'm using this Swiss Beauty Jet Black. This is amazing eyeliner. I got one more liner from her which is from the Mars, but I'm not using it today. So that is also very affordable. I mean, that sketch liner was only for rupees 60, and nowadays sketch liner for 60 is like supremely affordable. So I think that was the best thing. Her products are very affordable. That's all the point, the whole point of making this video. So I will be putting this eyeliner real good. I have to come a little closer. I'm so sorry for that. Little bit of winged liner which I will be drawing, and also the waterline. Always when you do usually the eye makeup, always go for the sketch liner. That is very easy, and at the same time it does a great job. The next thing which I will be quickly moving is the contour part. Now I got an amazing palette from her. So this is contour and highlighter palette from Shein. This is very affordable, like 280 or 300 something, around that range. Let me give you a little close pic of what exactly the palette looks like. So this is the beautiful palette that it looks like. Now I wanted to have a blusher for a very long time, the natural one. I do not want to look a blusher which is really loud. I don't want that. So that's how this is my favorite blusher color, and this is contour, and the other thing is highlighter. So I will be first doing with the contour part. So I will be taking this shade of the contour part, and I will be taking this brush. Now this is also something, a brush that I have mentioned. What's an affordable? Definitely check that out. Let me take my mirror because I have to see that. Wow, this is an amazing contour, by the way, guys. I mean, this is just so wow. You need to blend it real well, guys. Really blend it well. Oh, okay. Take a little more. Okay. So okay, great. The next thing which I will be taking another brush, which is this, and I will be doing my I'll dust off the excess. I'll be doing my sorry, with the same thing. I will be taking this brush and doing the nose contour, because you know what, my nose is not pointed. Just be comfortable with whatever you have. I think that is something which is the best you can feel comfortable at. Now I'm just gonna blend it with the same brush. We'll be taking this brush and do the highlighter. If there is any fallout, you can remove it. Do it little bit here. I love this palette, by the way, very much, Pooja. Thank you so much for this palette. It is just amazing, just so amazing that I can't even tell you. Okay, great. And with the same palette, with the same brush, I will be taking this as my blusher. So this is again my favorite blusher. I will take it a little bit, brush off the excess, and I'll smile, and I'll apply this. So that's pretty much for the two palettes which I want to speak about. So these are the two palettes which I love to a greater extent, and you know what, there are a lot of palettes that are available in the Nykaa and in the purple. But when it comes to affordability, there are very few palettes that you can say they are really affordable, and I think everybody can use it. So a big shout out to these two palettes. I got it from Pooja Pandey and I really love it. I thank her from the bottom of the heart that I wanted this palette for a very long time. So these two palettes, very big thumbs up. The last thing which I will be doing is the bronzing part. I will be taking a liquid illuminator from ADS, very affordable. This is, I got it really long back. So I will be little bit applying this here and blending real quick, because this is kind of a liquid highlighter, liquid bronzer, so it will blend into the skin real good. So be very careful about this kind of liquid bronzer which you will be using. So that's pretty much. Now this is a festive season, so it is never complete without sindoor and without lipstick. So I will definitely be putting up my sindoor since I'm married. So that's a bit of it, and then definitely I will be completing this entire look with the help of a lip color which is from TFF, again in affordable. What's in affordable? I have mentioned this lip color. This is the color of it, and this is a creamy matte, so I never go for complete matte. So this is a creamy matte and I really love this lip color. So that's how I complete my look, and thank you so much Pooja for this amazing palettes that you have given me, and trust me, the palettes are real beauty. So I'll give you a little close pic of it. Now you must have noticed that I haven't used any compact on this because the skin really gets dry nowadays because of the compact and all. So I've not used compact that much, but at the same time I really love the look, how it turned out, and let me give you a close pic of it. It turned out really good and I really love this look. Do let me know what is your take on this, and I really request you to please go ahead and subscribe to my channel, comment down, follow me on Instagram and Facebook for more such updates, and I will definitely see you in the next video. Bye for now, and happy Diwali, happy Karwa Chauth in advance.